For your module homework, first, build your Upwork profile. Go ahead, sign up for Upwork, go through the verification process, and begin building your profile out, following this lesson and using the handouts included with this module. Build your case studies out for your portfolio. At least 2 is recommended, and up to 4 to 6 is best practice. This helps you get started and come out the gate with a great profile that's built out more than most of your competition right from the start. And lastly, start looking around on Upwork. So what I'm going to show you now is how you can look at what other freelancers are doing in your skill set so you can get ideas for your profile as well. So these are your homework tasks, and now let's switch over to a market research section of this module. Now it's time for the market research section of the module. This is where I'm going to show you how you can look at what other top-rated freelancers are doing on Upwork to help you build your profile out even stronger. What I suggest doing is on Upwork, when you click on this magnifying glass, you can click on this freelancers and agencies, and it will pop open this search bar and this page. From here, you can go ahead and look at who Upwork is recommending for each skill set. So within this search bar, you can choose whether you want to do US only or not, and you can type in whatever skill set you provide. So let's say it's web design. You can use one of the search suggestions that pop up. And once you do that, Upwork is going to show you who they suggest for this skill set. And all of this is great value for you because you can look and see, number 1, how your profile shows in different ways. And number 2, you can start to get ideas for how to make your profile better. So let's say we hop right into here, into John's profile, who charges $174.75 an hour, has over 90,000 earned, and has a 100% job success score with the top rater badge. Once you get in here, now you can see exactly what his title is, what his description looks like, and you can even look at the video and get an idea for how other people structure their profile. As you scroll down, you can see how important reviews are, and you can also look at how other people build their case studies out. So as you click in, this is all for the public. So you can look at how they structure it, and you can get ideas for how you want your profile to look. You can also look at how they set up their other experience section and their skills. This is all valuable information for you. So when you go to build your profile, and let's say you get stuck or you want to know how to make it the top profile you can build, go ahead and look at what other people are doing. There's no reason not to model after who is having success. So I would look at the people's profiles who have the best ratings, the most money earned. I would stay away from anyone that has under 100% job success because that's what you're going for. So as you scroll down, find someone that has a title or a description most relevant to what you provide. And then you can go in and model your profile after that. As you continue to scroll down, you can see that it gets a little less relevant, a little less money earned, and you can even go to some of the further down pages if you want, and maybe look at a profile that doesn't have good reviews. And for here, let's say we want to do some market research on this end. And for this, we want to look at maybe some of these projects and see what happened here. This is when you can start to dig in and see what happened and what went wrong. So right here, this is what happened. They had a 2.35 review on a $600 project. And as you can see, even though they have other 5-star reviews, that massively impacted their job success score. So this is a great way you can start to get familiar with other people's profiles, start to get familiar with the platform, what your profile looks like when it pops up to potential clients, and it will just help you get your brain working, get the wheels moving. So now it's time. Go ahead and take action. create your profile. This is all fresh in your mind right now, so go ahead and do it right now. So that was the Upwork freelancer market research section of the module, and that brings the module to a close. So I wish you all the best with creating your profile, and I look forward to your future success.